How to shuffle AI flashcards for better learning. First of all, open the Knowt app and select the AI flashcards you want to study. You can use a set you previously created or one generated from your notes. Next, tap on the Study Flashcards Set button to begin your session. Here you will find multiple learning options, including the ability to shuffle your flashcards. Select the Shuffle option to randomize the order of your cards. Shuffling helps prevent memorizing the sequence of flashcards and encourage active recall, which strengthens memory and improves long-term retention. You can also combine the shuffle feature with other settings like studying star terms only or choosing your preferred question format such as answer with term or answer with definition. As you go through shuffle flashcards, pay attention to concepts you find difficult and mark them for extra practice. This method ensures you focus on areas that need more effort while keeping your study sessions dynamic and engaging. Finally, make it a habit to shuffle your flashcards regularly. Randomized practice improves learning efficiently, keeps your mind alert, and helps retain information more efficiently over time. Now you know how to shuffle AI flashcards for better learning. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.